How's it going, guys? We're back. I know I didn't upload yesterday. That's because I got caught up in a bunch of crap with tests and school and class, whatever. But I'm making yesterday's video today, and today we didn't trade much. I took a short for a scalp in pre-market with two minis, not micros, two minis, and we're up about $400 on the day. But I'm not going to count that, just because it was not part of what I usually trade, which is ICT, inverse fair value gaps, SMTs, that kind of stuff. So here we had a nice little 5-minute right there. This was a forward test of just a scalp, I guess. I'm just testing some new stuff. But yeah, so we had the 15-minute here and whatever. But yeah, this was the trade right here. 3-minute inversion from a SMT that I believe was right here, but it's going to reset me if I change the time, I believe. Oh, we're good, actually. So let's go down. Yeah, 3-minute there. And as you can see, it did inverse. It inversed on MNQ. But if you go to NQ, it did not. It did not inverse. So that's what kind of cooked me, cooked us. I took this with the SPS chat, but we were all kind of distracted with the My Funded Futures free resets and giveaways. But anyways, yeah, join SPS. Big shout out to them. They're live every single day. No excuses. At least one person is going to be there. And then if not, I think within the past 3 months, the only time the main owner of SPS, Will, was not there was because he was on My Funded Futures TV. So yeah, join SPS. It's a great time. $25, live trading, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, had the 3-minute inverse. There was an SMT down here. I believe on the 1 minute. I think we can go to it real quick. Let's see. I have my, yeah. Okay. And this chart's not loading, so we can't really see that very well, but stop it. Yeah, so we had the SMT at the low, the bullish structure, the 3-minute IFVG on MNQ, which did inverse, but on NQ it did not inverse. And we were only rejecting off that 5-minute. Usually I like to see a higher time frame, which would be like a 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, that kind of thing. But yeah, I'm reading off my, if I'm looking over here, I'm reading off my what's it called? My notes. But as you can see, so I think we took three contracts on this one. But my exit was more like right here, just because I was watching order flow and I saw that we were getting quite a bit of bearish orders. What are you doing? We were getting a lot of bearish orders, so I was like, all right, I'm just going to cut it here. And luckily I did, because we just slammed through stop loss. Very unfortunate trade, but just got to pay more attention. That was just one error out of the few weeks that we've just been killing it. So yeah, unfortunately those things do happen, and we're locked in now. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. We'll go through the daily verse today. Hopefully you prayed. Hopefully you will pray today. Did you pray today? Okay, so we got 1 Corinthians 3:7 NLT. It's not important who does the planting or who does the watering. What's important is that God makes the seed grow. Just basically helps you grow. He will hit you with the worst stuff, because he knows you're just going to grow from it if you don't give up. Just kind of like 2 months ago, or not 2 months ago. Oh yeah, I guess 2 months ago, when I first started just gambling all my funded accounts away. But we're persevering through it, and our accounts are back up, doing pretty well. And yeah, he knows that I'm going to grow through it. And one of the biggest things that I tell myself is the teacher doesn't speak during the test. I forgot where I even heard that, saw that, whatever, but the teacher doesn't speak during the test, and just kind of correlate that with things in your life when stuff gets hard, because it's always just a test. So you can always get through it. Gotten this far. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. Join SPS, join my Discord. SPS does have a free thing, so you can join in and talk to Will, talk to me, and Steve, and everybody else, and we'll give you honest opinions and questions. There's a free questions area that you can ask questions in. Join that. Join my Discord. It's free. Ask me questions wherever. I don't care. Just join up, join something, get in touch with people and connect, I guess. Little Luke Belmer. But yeah, bye.